Communication is very important between teachers, students, and parents, as well as trainers, workers, and co-workers. Hello everybody, my name is Angel Reyes. This video will provide a quick overview on some of the Cisco WebEx features and capabilities. Cisco WebEx is a company that provides online meeting, on-demand collaboration, web conferencing, and video conferencing. Technically, Cisco WebEx is a web-based platform that allows you to collaborate more effectively with other people. Prior to the meeting session, you have to email the people who will be attending the online meeting. In this case, you will get a screen like this on your email. You're just going to click on the Start Meeting. You're going to run a temporary application which only takes a few seconds to load up. Once the meeting is set up for you, the first step will be to connect your audio and video devices. It says that it's already connected. As you can see, the video and the audio is right here. It's very important to show only one microphone in order to avoid feedback, and also you will get a better sound quality. You can cancel the video if you want, which is not recommended because the reason of the meeting is that they can see you and you can see them too. WebEx has the capability of sharing your screen to the audience. This is very helpful since you can explain the topic, and the audience will be able to see whatever is on your screen. You can explain different topics. And show different parts of your computer. You can stop sharing your screen by clicking the stop button. Another neat feature is the new whiteboard, which is right here. And you can start different ones at any time. This allows you to type your topics and interact with other participants. You can add lines or different figures on the presentation. You can save them on different folders. And when you're done, you can just exit out. You can either save it or not save it. Another important and neat feature is that you can take notes of the topics and also you can save them on your computer. To exit the meeting, just click under the meeting center and click on the red circle right here. Exit the meeting. Well, thank you so much for your time. I hope this information is useful for your future career projects.